Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Bio Lectures. Today here I will discuss with you why is it taking so long for corona vaccine to develop. But before that, please subscribe my channel. Let's begin. The vaccine is like killed attenuated DNA, RNA or recombinant vaccine. Its purpose is to induce immune response of the body against antigen. Whenever antigen enters in the body, memory cells gets activated and kills the pathogen. Safety and efficacy of the vaccine are the two important goals for making any kind of vaccine. COVID-19, that is SARS-CoV-2, uh, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, is not the first coronavirus that has emerged. SARS and MERS have already emerged in 2003 and 2012. MERS, that is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, has emerged in 2012. Since then, scientists are working on SARS and MERS, so they have already enough knowledge about the antigen protein that has to be taken as for making vaccine. The spike protein that is present on the surface of the virus that get attached on the receptor of the human cell and get enter inside the body. So spike protein has been taken as an antigen protein for making vaccine. When this antigen is inserted in the inside the body, antibodies against spike protein developed, and they interfere with this spike protein to bind on human cells. More than 150 coronavirus vaccine are under the development across the world. Making a vaccine itself is a very tedious and lengthy process. It takes 10 to 15 years in normal condition. But as you all know that coronavirus is spreading very fast, so there should be a vaccine to control it. For making a vaccine, there are many steps are involved. First is research and development. Earlier attempts to develop vaccine for SARS and MERS has given idea about the target antigen for COVID-19, and the coronavirus genome sequence has already been provided. Next step is clinical phase trial. It is performed on animals. Vaccine is injected in animal body and wait for the response of antibody. It mimics the response as it will go with human body. Sometimes it may happen that animals respond well, but it doesn't go well with human body. So again, vaccine goes for research and development. It elaborates the work. Next step is clinical trials. Clinical trials are performed on human body. It itself is a very lengthy process, takes more than 7 years. It is having three phases. First phase is a small group of healthy volunteers take vaccine and wait for the antibody production. If there is a side effect, it has been recorded. It shows how much lowest effective dose required to induce in strongest immune response with no side effects. If phase well goes well, then it goes to phase 2. In second phase, hundreds of people of different ages get vaccine. How well the vaccine work on people, it evaluates. It evaluates safety and efficacy, optimal doses and schedule of vaccine. That means if it is needed one time or more than one time. The best route for vaccine administration with safety and efficacy of a vaccine. For all these responses, there should be a limited period, or you have to wait for the response. Next step is phase third. In phase third, thousand of people take vaccine who are already at the risk of infection and wait for the response in this phase also. How much they are protected with the infection, it shows. It shows the side effects, pros and cons of the vaccine. When all the things goes well with phase 1, 2 and 3, it goes for the approval by the governing. Then a vaccine is approved by governing authority and it goes for the licensing and certification. It itself takes more than 1 year, but in coronavirus, governing authority and government are taking steps to reduce the procedure. After the approval of the vaccine, it goes for the mass production. Industries scale up for the mass production and it takes different things under consideration like machinery requirement, manpower, manufacturing material supply, quality control, packaging and transportation. As vaccine needs refrigeration for its further activation of for fully functioning. In all these steps we have to wait for the response, because no one can take risk with under trialed or under tested vaccine. So it takes little time, but scientists are working to reduce the time and hoping for best vaccine. So this is all my knowledge or all the information I want to share with you. Please share this knowledge with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Next time I will again be available with very interesting topic. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.